Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming. And the very first thing to do here is you just have to make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft account, because one of the reasons why you encounter this problem is that you are not logged into your Microsoft account or Xbox account. Even though some of the games here they don't need Game Pass, still there are games here that needs Game Pass. And that's the reason why you have to make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft account or Xbox accounts. Also, there are games that need controller, so you have to make sure that your controller is connected. One of the reasons we encounter this problem also is that your controller is not connected. Number three, there are also times that you just have or you just need to wait, especially if the queue is long. So if that's the case, you can't do anything to it, but you just have to wait. No need for troubleshooting. Okay, so another thing is that if you encounter this problem again, what you want to do is to simply go to Google Web Browser, especially if you open this using Google Web Browser, and then clear the cache. Okay, so to do that, go to Google Web Browser, or if you're using Google Web Browser at this very moment, what you want to do is to simply click this three dots at the top right corner, go to settings, and then go to privacy and security. Now you have to scroll down till you see this clear browsing data. Okay, so kindly select the time range. You can select all time and then click clear data. Also for advanced, you can select all time and then click clear data and go back to your game again. And last, or the very last thing here, is that if you encounter some problems when it comes to your Xbox gaming, it's because there is really something wrong with Xbox today. To do that, all you have to do is go to cloud gaming and remote play and see the status of the game. If there is something wrong with the game today, then you cannot do anything but to wait. So that's it. So I do really hope that it somehow helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.